Hello students, welcome to Young Cubs. Today we are continuing with the same topic describing sequences, but with a little of a difference. Till now we've learned how to calculate the term to term, how to go about calculating the next term with the term to term rule. Just a quick revision. We have the position and we have the term. So position will progress as usual by first position, second position and so on, and term will progress as per the jumps or as per the rule. So if I have a 2, 4, 6, 8, so the term to term rule is +2. Every time I add up 2 to a term and I get the next term. So till now we've learned term to term rule. In one of my previous lectures, I had introduced the position to term rule as well. We will, however, elaborate on that rule now. If you guys remember, our position to term rule was Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1d. With this rule, we will get the general rule for a particular sum. And then it becomes very easy to calculate the 50th term or whatever position we are trying to find out the term for. So A stands for the first term in the sequence. So look at this one. So what's the first term? Half. N stands for the position number, okay, and D stands for the difference between two terms. All right. So with this basic information, let me start explaining this to you. So I'm going to first find out the term to term rule, and then we shall look at the 50th term as asked in the sum. So to find out the term to term rule, I'm going to use the general formula. Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1d. Children, one more important instruction, that this general rule is good only when there is a common or the difference is the same. Alright, so what is my A value? My A value is half. My N, I will keep it as it is because I've been asked to find the rule for the nth term. And my common difference is half, since the number is increasing. Okay, as the position increases, if the number is increasing, this value will be a positive number. If the number is decreasing, the value will be a negative number. Alright, so far so good. So now this will give me the general rule. So half, I will multiply this half with n, so it will become plus n upon 2. And then I multiply this, it will become minus 1 upon 2. Easy. So plus half and minus half cancel. So my general rule is n upon 2. So it's n upon 2 right here. Okay. So now, 50th term, I will write the term 50th is equal to n upon 2, because this is the general rule that we have deduced with our general formula. So n is going to be 50 upon 2. My term 50th is going to be 25. Alright, looks easy. Our next sum, okay, Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1d. A is my first term, which is equal to minus 2. N minus 1, I am not replacing n by any number because this is how I'm going to find my general rule for the particular sum. Okay, D, look at the difference. The number is decreasing. Why am I saying it's decreasing? If it's on a number line, remember children, the number increases as we go on the right. The number decreases as we go on the left. Correct? So, that's how from -2, I'm coming to -4. So, my number is decreasing. Correct? So, what is the decrease? It's a decrease, it's always a jump of -2. See, if the number is decreasing, it will be a negative number for difference. So -2. So -2 into n makes it -2n. -2 into -1 makes it +2. Yes. So -2 and +2 both gone. My general rule is of -2n. Correct? -2n. My term 50 is equal to -2 into 50. Yeah? It's going to be -100. Quite simple. What's my third rule? What's my third sum? Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 d. A is -5 plus n minus 1. What's my d? My number is increasing. Yes? So it's going to be a positive one. So if I go look at my number line, if this is -5, -4, -3, so my number is moving to the right on the number line. So if my number moves to the right side of the number line, that means the number is increasing, and hence this difference is going to be a positive one. Okay, so -5, 1 into n will make it +1n, 1 into -n -1, which is equal to -5, and -1 is equal to -6 plus n, or n minus 6. Fourth sum says Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 d, which is equal to 3 plus n minus 1 d. Yeah, why d? So d is a positive 2. The difference is of a +2. So 3 plus 2 into n makes it 2n. 2 into -1 makes it -2. 2n plus 1. 3 minus 2 is 1. That's my general rule. 2n plus 1, correct? So T50 I shall get with the rule of 2n plus 1, twice of 50 plus 1, 100 plus 1 is equal to 101. That's my sixth sum. So Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 d. A is my first term, which is 0, n minus 1, d is -1. This number, if I take it on the number line, it's 0, -1, -2, -3. So the moment we move to the left side of the number line, that means the number is decreasing. So if the number is decreasing, we'll add the negative with the difference will be a negative difference. So 0, so -1 into n makes it -n, -1 into -1 makes it +1. So -n plus 1, or I can even write it as 1 minus n. Does that make sense? I prefer putting the negative behind. So that's my rule. So my term 50 is equal to 1 minus n, 1 minus 50, which is equal to 49. So my 50th term is 49. I hope this was easy. That's all for today, children. Thank you and God bless you all.